Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw X from Fortnite. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna start with drawing the top of his head with an arch curve line across, right there. Same is gonna turn downwards on both the left and right side of his head. And above his ear, I'm gonna flare it slightly out, turn it back downwards and slightly inwards, curve line downwards and semicircle turn inwards to the right. Mirror that same set of line on the right side of his head. On the right ending point, I'm going to turn it diagonally in to the left. Curve line across to the left. Turn it upwards with a short line diagonally to the left. Below his head, on the left corner, I'm going to draw his neck with curve line downwards. Turn it inwards to the right. And below that, a curve line downwards at that corner. Mirror that same set of line for the right side of his neck. Now in the middle of his face, I'm going to draw his eye off center to the left from the inner corner. Diagonal curve line to the left and upwards. Turn it diagonally down at the outer corner of the eye. And for the lower line of his eye, I'm going to take the same point at the inner corner. Curve line across to the left. Turn it diagonally up at the outer corner of the eye. Inside of that shape, I'm going to draw a curve line across from the left corner. And below that, I'm going to draw from the left curve line diagonally down to the right and across to the inner corner of his eye. Inside of that, I'm going to draw a small circular shape for his pupil. Mirror that same set of shape for his right eye. Above his right eye, I'm going to draw an upside down V shape, and on the right side, turn it upwards diagonally to the right, turn it to the left and upwards, turn it back out to the right, and above that, I'm going to draw a similar diagonal line again, sharp turn diagonally up to the left, turn it downwards to the left, turn it to the right and downwards, turn it back down to the left and turn it to the right. Now from the right side of his face, I'm going to draw a zigzag line across to the left. Below the eye there, sharp turn downwards, sharp turn back upwards diagonally on the left, zigzag line across to the left, turn it downwards to his chin, and on the left side of that, curve line upwards, turn it down, zigzag line across, turn it downwards, turn it back up on the left corner, turn it diagonally up to the left, zigzag line across to the side of his ear on the left right there. Now at the side of his neck on the left, I'm going to draw the color of his jacket with diagonal line downwards to the right, semicircle turn across to the right, turn it downwards. And from the side of his neck on the left, curve line out to the left, turn it downwards. On the right side, I'm going to copy the same shape again. And on the left side of that, curve line downwards, semicircle turn diagonally across to the middle point and downwards, turn it downwards and to the left, turn it to the right and downwards, and below that ending point, I'm going to draw a buckle with a line across diagonally to the right and upwards, turn it downwards, turn it back to the left diagonally, upwards, sideways to the right, upwards, sideways to the left, and upwards. On the left side of that, I'm going to draw a small rectangle shape at that corner. And on the left side of that, at the upper corner, diagonal curve line outwards to the left, slightly downwards, and another similar line at this lower point, a line downwards at the ending point on the left. Repeat that same shape of the buckle and the strap again at this lower point on the right, and above the second buckle on the right, diagonal curve line upwards at this upper point to the right, and another similar line at this lower point, a line downwards at the ending point on the right, another similar line on the right side of that, turn it diagonally up to the right on both ending points, a line downwards at the ending point on the right. In between the two buckle, I'm going to draw a diagonal line downwards to the right, continue that line below the second buckle to the side of his outfit, sharp turn upwards at that corner to the sleeve, extend it all the way to the side of his shoulder, and at the outer corner of his collar on the right, I'm going to draw a curve line out to his shoulder, semicircle turn downwards at the side of his shoulder right there, and below that, diagonal line outwards to the right and to his elbow point, flare it out and semicircle turn back inwards, flare it back diagonally out again, turn it diagonally down to his wrist, flare it out and turn it back diagonally in. On his wrist, I'm going to draw a curved line across and another curved line across at this lower point. On both ending points at the side, a line downwards at the inner corner and at the outer corner. Inside of the sleeve, I'm going to draw lines downwards. For the inner line of his arm, I'm going to repeat the same shape of the outer line at this inner corner. Along the edge of his collar, I'm gonna trace the same set of line at that corner right there, all the way to the lower point right here and to the side at that point. Below the collar, on the right side, I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally in to the left, turn it diagonally downwards. Repeat that same set of line again, slightly below, and at the side of that diagonal line to the sleeve on the right corner, and another similar line at that point. On his shoulder, I'm going to draw some zigzag line from the side of his collar to the right, turn it diagonally down at that point, sharp turn back upwards, sharp turn downwards, sharp turn back up diagonally, zigzag line across, turn it downwards, and sharp turn back upwards. Now copy the same shape of his shoulder on the left side. Continue the line at the side of his outfit on the left downwards, flare it slightly out below his waist to the left, turn it diagonally across to the middle point to the right and downwards, sharp turn upwards in the middle point all the way to that corner, and another similar line on the left side of that at that point, and slightly to the left of that another similar line, and at the lower point I'm gonna trace the diagonal line at the edge of the jacket at that corner. For the right side of the jacket, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line upwards to the right at that corner, turn it upwards and inwards to his waist right there. At the inner corner of that shape, I'm gonna trace the outline right there, and at this edge at the bottom. Inside of that, I'm gonna draw two lines downwards in the middle point right there. Below his jacket at the side, I'm gonna draw a long line downwards on the left right there, sideways to the right, and turn it back upwards to the edge of his jacket. On the left side of that, diagonal line out to the left, and another similar line below that. At the ending point on the left, a line downwards, and above that, on the left corner, a short line up, sideways to the left, turn it downwards, sideways to the right, turn it upwards, turn it to the left, upwards, sideways to the ending point on the right. Mirror that same set of line on the right side. Now for his legs below the jacket, I'm gonna draw the outer line of his left leg with curved line downwards. Continue that line below the strap, flare it slightly out, turn it back diagonally inwards, flare it back outwards, turn it back inwards, flare it back out, semicircle turn to the right, curved line across to the right, semicircle turn upwards at the inner corner and inwards, flare it back out, turn it back inwards, flare it back out again, and curved line upwards to the middle of his leg. In the middle of his leg, I'm gonna draw a curved line across. Mirror the same shape of his legs on the right side. Below his jacket at the inner corner, a line downwards, semicircle turn to the right and to the inner corner. Mirror that same set of line on the right side. Below his pants, I'm gonna draw his boots with curved line downwards on the left corner right there. Flare it out and turn it back inwards towards his ankle point. Flare it back outwards on his ankle point and turn it back downwards. Turn it downwards, curved line across to the right. Mirror that same set of line on the right corner right here. And inside of that shape at the upper point, I'm going to draw a curved line across, and above that curved line, I'm going to draw some lines upwards all the way to the inner corner on the right. And below that, I'm going to draw his shoe with curved line downwards, flare it out to the right, turn it downwards. I'm going to do the same thing for the inner line, curved line across for the base of the shoe right there, and another similar curved line slightly above that. Inside of that, I'm going to draw an arch curved line right there, and another arch curved line slightly above that, and two more arch curved line above that, like that. And I'm gonna copy the whole boots shape on the right side. For his hand at the outer corner on the right, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards. At that point, turn it diagonally into the left, and on the left side of that ending point, at the upper corner, line downwards, turn it diagonally to the left. Repeat that same set of line again on the left corner right here, and another one. Extend it outwards to the left, semicircle turn diagonally up to the right, turn it upwards, turn it diagonally to the left, sharp turn downwards, semicircle turn back upwards on the left corner, semicircle turn diagonally up to the side of his wrist. In between his thumb and the finger, I'm going to draw a line diagonally up to his wrist at that corner. And on the right side of that, I'm going to draw a diagonal line down to the right, turn it downwards, turn it back diagonally up to the left. Mirror that same set of line on the right corner right here, and in between the two set of line, I'm going to draw in the middle point of the hand a rectangular shape. Mirror the same shape of the hand on the right side.
And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.